Hello guys. Hello guys. Today we will learn how to solve different bases of logarithm and how to calculate them. We will take a easiest method and the simplest method to calculate different bases of logarithm. So let's go ahead. So the question says 2 log 9 3 plus log 5 7y minus 3 equal to log 2 8. We have to find the unknown variable, which is y. We have to find the value of y, so we have to go through many steps to reach the final answer. So I will tell you what are these, this 9 5 7y minus c. What are this is log, and 9 is called the base. Like 9 is the base of log 3, 5 is the base of log 7y minus 3, and 2 is the log of log 2 is the base of log 8. These are called the bases. Different logarithms have different bases. If the bases are same, so it is very simple to calculate and to solve the unknown variable. So let's go ahead. So first step says log 9 3 square. If you have learned the power law or the exponent law, they are altogether 4 or 5 laws of logarithm: the quotient law, the power law, the chain base law, and the quotient law. These are the 4 laws of logarithm. So how to calculate them we will learn. So log 9 3 square, this number will come on the power of this coefficient. So log 9 3 square plus log 5 7y minus c will be written as it is, and log 2 8. Log 2 8, 2 cube is 8, so 2 cube the power will come on the left hand side, so 2 log 2 2 will be left over here. So the second step says log 9 9, because 3 square is equal to 9 and this whole is equal to 1. So we will convert it in the next step. So log 9 9 plus log 5 7y minus 3 will be written as it is as usual, and equal to 3 1. If the bases and the exponents are, if the bases and coefficients are same numbers, like 2 2 9 9, if they are same, so it will be always equal to 1. It will be always equal to 1. So 3 will be multiplied by 1. So in the next step, 1 plus log 5 7y minus c will be written as it is, and equal to 3 will be also written as it is. So in the next step, this one will be reached at the right hand side, and when the sign is positive at the left hand side, so when it will convert, uh, so when when it will reach to the right hand side, so automatically its sign will be opposite. So 3 minus 1 is 2, so log y 7 log 5 7y minus 3 will be written as it is and equal to 2. Then 7y minus 3 equal to 5 square. How 5 square? 7y minus 3 will be written as it is, and this log 5 and equal to 2. If you learn the basic logarithm about the conversion to logarithm to exponential form and exponential to logarithm form, these are the basic logarithm which you have to be know, because if you have not learned these basic logarithms conversion, so you cannot do this tricky question which seems to be very easy. So we will convert the logarithm into exponential form. So 5 power 2, 5 power 2, 7y minus c equal to 5 power 2. So our second last step is 7y equal to 28, because 7y minus 3, when it will go to the right hand side, it will automatically become 28 and positive. So 7y equal to 28. Then we will calculate it till an second last step, which is y equal to 28 upon 7. When on the left hand side, when 7 is being multiplied by y, the unknown variable, so automatically when it will reach to the right hand side, so it will become divide. So y equal to 28 over 7, which is 4. So the final answer of the unknown variable we have to find, which we went through many steps, which and we reached to the final answer, which is y equal to 4. This is the final answer, and this is the correct method and the simplest, easiest method to solve the different bases of logarithm. So I hope that you have reached to my point, and be updated for more videos, so that you can so that you can easily so that you can easily so that you can easily uh, reach to my point. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my video. Thank you.